Okay, now with that, we'd like to call on the very lovely maid of honor.
Wow.
From New York.
Cubao?
This promises to be a very tearful toast. We have to call on the lovely Miss Nok Nok Maningat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nok Nok in her beautiful shoes today. Thank you so much. Let me give her
Camera.
I'm so glad to be speaking here with all of you this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, for the special occasion, the wedding of Audra and Greg. When I first heard that they were finally going to get married and in the Vatican, I was thinking, my God, what a big plan. How difficult can that be? The language barrier, the distance, and everyone coming. And then when I entered the Vatican this morning, it's like, what better place could there be to get married? So it finally came to me why Audra was so insistent and why Greg was so supportive of this plan. But when Audra was coming in to the Vatican with all the tourists and through the crowd when I saw her, I was thinking, Tita Elsa would be so happy to see us. Magkaiyak-iyak din ako. Kasi naniyak ko yung nanay ko. Pause muna. Yun. Parang it's such a dream for that to happen, and it's so correct that for Audra and Greg, this dream can come true. Because this is the only couple I've ever met na there was never any doubt that they wanted to be together, and that every obstacle that could possibly come in their way, it all just disappeared. Everything just disappears. So even here, to have so much perfection in the eternal city, to have your love institutionalized in the biggest institution of the Catholic Church, in a city that has lived thousands of years, I expect that your love will last as long. And yun, no, narinig ko dito, bawal ang divorce. Kasi yung Pope na yung negotiate ng wedding ninyo. Wala nga. Okay. And then, I was also talking to Tito Tony, and he said, you wanted the wedding to be so memorable. And I don't think any of us can ever forget it. And we're also glad that we made that. Tito Tony, I hope you're so proud. I'm sure you're so proud of your beautiful daughter. And that you're also going to make an effort to make us cry later.
She's the one who's gonna cry.
And Greg, it's unfortunate that the rest of your family couldn't make it, but I hope that you felt enveloped in the love of everyone who was here and made part of all of us. So congratulations to the bride and groom.
Cheers! Hello.
Please raise your glass for Chin Chin.
Cheers!
Cheers!